This is for double set planning, and it's industrial heavy duty type. You see here, the control panel, very easy to operate and very convenient. This type of control panel, we call it a rotational control panel. You can adjust very conveniently here, any position. And this control panel is equipped with the digital thickness controller. You just need to input the number here, and then the bench will lift automatically. This is for adjust the feeding speed. You just need to turn the button here, and here you can see the feeding speed here. Here you can see we have the two groups of the bottom rulers and also the top rulers. This is to ensure a very smooth and powerful feeding for the material. And the rulers is also equipped with a very powerful feeding motor. Here you can see very powerful motor. This motor is 3.7 kW, very heavy duty type. And our double set planner is equipped with the top and the bottom spindle. Here you can see this is the top spindle. The bottom spindle. The bottom spindle is equipped with the SKF bearing and also quick change mechanism to ensure a quick blade change and quick belt change. Very convenient. Let's see if we can see very clearly about the. We cannot see. I want to show you the helical cutter. The helical cutter is much better than strict cutter. If you use the helical cutter, you don't need to sharpen the blade very often. It can use for a very long time. And another part I want to show you, the auto oil pump here. You can see this oil pump is automatic laberator for the feeding chain and also for the lifting, for the sliding part. Can protect the machine very well. Once this pump is lack of oil, the feeding chain will stop automatically, so it can avoid the damage of the machine. You can see we can process very thick powder. The planning effect is very nice. See? Heavy duty type. Thank you.